And we're back. Reusable statements designed to do a specific goal or job. User defined. Calls when we're actually using it as a statement. Caller versus callee or called. Yep. Function body. Value returning function. Return type, void, non-value, yep. Return statement. Determines the value. It's returned by value because we're copying the value. We're not actually editing where that shit is in the memory. Yep. If he doesn't return, then who knows what that value is going to be, buddy. Yeah, it'd be... I don't know. It's probably going to be warning treated as error, though. Yep. 1 is a fuck up. 0 is cool. Don't repeat yourself. Yep, make functions to reduce the redundancy. Oh shit, I have to output things regularly? Okay, make a function for outputting things, bro. Non-value returning. Yep, so there's an early return. Didn't know that. I must have missed that part because there was a problem that I messed up. And it involved 2 returns. So it was a function like integer add. Adds 2 inputs, int x, int y. You put in 2 and 3, so you think you get 5, and it says return 5. But then after it's return x plus y, but then return x minus y. What does it do? Well, once you return, that's it. You can have multiple returns, but it's just the first one's going to be used. And then later on we can pair that with conditions. That'll be cool. Or conditionals rather, I guess. Function parameter. Yeah, the parameters are basically the local variables that are instantiated and created upon the function being run. Arguments are the values that get passed to it. Passed by value. Yep, we take the arguments. We take the values. We copy them via copy assignment onto, or well, copy initialization into the local variables, the parameters of the function, and then we do the function, then we return, and it passes by value back. Yep, there are local variables. It has a lifetime, which is from the first, it's basically just within, it's from its definition to the first, to the end of its scope, where it goes out of scope. And that is the next closing brace. In scope, out of scope. The parameters in this function are out of scope from main. And main is a function as well, so the shit that's in main is out of scope from the other function. Compiled time, so it's determined upon compiling. White space, anything that gets removed in character output. Basically. Spaces, underscores, parentheses. Oh, I lied. Spaces, tabs, new lines. So it's empty shit. It's empty shit. White space. Should have known that was stupid. Should have thought harder. Too impulsive. For declarations, yeah, we're declaring something for release so that the compiler says the file is valid. Because we can still access that from the file. It's also called a prototype. The definition implements the function. It has its return type, its parameters, and then the body. Whereas the prototype doesn't have a body and has a semicolon. Which is also a pure declaration. Yep. Identifiers. Yeah, we have 2 that are identical, or 2 functions, one's in one file, one's in another, but they're the same identifier. We get a naming collision. Namespaces guarantee that there aren't collisions because the shit that's defined, the identifiers in that namespace, do not conflict outside. It's like it's its own scope region. Surprised that isn't here. Preprocessor is a process that runs on the code before it's compiled. Directives are special instructions to the preprocessor. So preprocessor directives. They have hashtags and end with new lines. So you can't do hashtag define, hashtag end if. Macro converts input text to replacement text. And we can use it in these preprocessor directive or conditional directives or something like that. Yep. Move around and quickly pass a bunch of declarations. Include, replaced by the contents of the file. Angle brackets when doing stuff that's built in that we didn't make. .h for shit that I made. Yep. No H for the new shit. The H is kept because of the old shit. Old programs that are currently relying on them. Header guards protect content within included header files from being included multiple times and causing a compile error due to redefinition. It does not prevent a header file specifically from being included into multiple separate files because types, templates, inline functions, inline variables may need to be defined separately in those things, and those don't generate errors while doing defining non-inline variables and functions in multiple places within the same program. No go. Three functions. Main, read, write. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, a single file program. Okay. Single file program reads two integers from the user. I don't like the reading shit. I prefer getting. Adds them and outputs the answer. So we've got get them, add them, outputs them. Okay. Okay. Let me get this guy's music going real quick. I'm kind of going a little nutso. Uh-oh. Never mind. Rare. Holy. Holy. Okay, switcher back. Come on. We'll do... Holy, let's save these real quick. Add to queue. I can't watch later? That should work. Alright, we'll do... Where's he at, yo? There he is. Oh, we could do this. This is even better. Yeah. Okie doke. So we need a couple things. Two values, add them, output them. So we need... We need to then okay, only issues are that those aren't defined yet. Okay. So we'll do yeah. Prompt the user. We'll do value initialize this guy. We'll do extract to him, return him. So that's two of them, and then we'll add them together. And to add them, we'll do okay, and we'll do okay. And then we'll print them. And then we'll do oh wait. What? Oh, whoops. I could do a couple. I could do I'll do that. So we'll do cool. 3, 4, 3 plus 4, 7. Oh, I guess you could do print sum. You could do 2. You could do that. So you could do and then we could do yeah, that'll work. And then this would just be standard character output. Okay. Oops. Print some now. Cool. Print 7. Cool. There's one. Oh, eyes are getting really tired. Holy shit. 30 more minutes of programming. It's already been 2 hours. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, okay. Sounds good. What does it want? Okay. Alright, we're locking in. Even though this is easy stuff. Fuck, I had it. Alright, we're locked in. What? What is it called? Add input output? Oh, it's just input output. Why? Why is it called IO? Do I even need it in Hello World now? No. Not as far as I can tell. What does it want? Oh, okay. Sounds good. Okay, we've implemented these guys, and then we'll just do... It's a forward declaration so that this guy knows that they exist and he can get them because they're in another file within the same program. Go. Cool. Okay. We'll do include to H. Okay. If not defined, IOH, define IOH, and if, and then what is it? Get user, I don't even remember. Get user value? Yeah. And then we do void print sum. God, this girl's voice is beautiful. Who sings this? Rivers in the Desert? 5? Sounds like soul. Wow. Nice, lady. Okay. And we need this guy for these functions. We may include this guy here. So the point here is that we're including the header file to get these declarations. The definitions are here. So this program, or this file is valid because the compiler says, yo, these are good declarations. Cool, buddy. Same thing with this. Sorry, these are good calls. Cool. Why are they good calls? Because we've included these 4 declarations here. And if we went here and we did, it wouldn't matter. Even if we include, oh, well, actually this is supposed to. That way we can check to make sure the return values are proper. Because if this guy was instead, well, he shouldn't be void. But if we do, bump, 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 overload. No, sir. It's a compiler error. If I didn't do this, oops. We get an extra compiler error, it sounds like. Basically, it picks up on more errors if we're checking here. Because then these guys talk to each other. Alright, and the goal was... instead of that directly. Yeah, it has a header card. Of course it does, motherfucker. And then we could just do this transitively. Uh-oh. Are you sure? What's the issue here? Oh, because I still had it. So this guy... oh wait, why did I kill the include? I mean, we could do this, so we can include it transitively. Or it might just make more sense to do... do the shit we made and then the standard at the end. That way we can check if we're not including something here. And then fix ours. And then we do it later. Then we could also do... don't even need it here actually, it's fine. And if we wanted to comment this, we do... don't care about that. We'll do... cool. Go. Oh, that's cool. Preprocessor blocks. That's nice. This is a stupid, crazy comment. I'm just doing it to say what I'm thinking. Cool. Okie doke. Did him. Let's see how I could have done him. Well, yeah. Yeah, makes sense. Why read? Read is weird. I don't like reading input from the user. I like acquiring, extracting. Prompt them, get it, prompt them, value initialize, store it. Can I type in it? Oh, okay. It looked weird. Extract it, return it, and then just output it. Oh, well, I guess you could do that. I never usually do that. Yeah, that might make more sense. Write it and then just pass it the expression. Okay. I have time? I got time. Oh, not Ocean.
Welcome to us. See you next time.
That was way too loud. I'll do that again real quick. We're gonna have 3 undefined. Yep. Value initialize them to 0. I would do extract. I'm gonna have 1, sorry. We're gonna void because we don't need to output anything. We're outputting things. We're not actually returning anything though to the main function, the callee or the caller. Oh. Seems more concise this way. Cool. Cool, dude. Yeah, you just moved it, put the guy out there because we don't need it here. Yup. True. Yep. 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 To check, make sure that these are correct. No overloading. Sounds like overloading is a multiple definition somehow. Like same one, but it has different things it could do depending on maybe what you pass it. I don't know. Let me include the header files for the declarations, which then allows us to call the definitions from here. Implementation. Issue here. Oh, you dummy. Oh yeah, isn't that a linking error? No one said? Yeah, look, yeah, it's a linking error. Yeah. Oh, because that happened earlier. I had this error. It was... We had one when things are being defined twice because the header file had a definition. We were including that in our function, but then we were also including that in another. And then it was saying something about like an extra. It wasn't missing. It wasn't undefined. It was something else. I don't remember the words. Okay. All right. Final 15 minutes.